good morning. It's about 8 o'clock. We're already up because we went to bed earlier because, as you saw.
11. That's on earlier.
It's early because I could usually stay in the casino till 2, but if I would have, I just would have been lonely because they weren't working.
So you got up and you got me these great chairs this morning. I'm so happy.
Yep. Anyway, so we're finally underway. We left about 12:30 a.m. And now we're out to sea and he is moving. So they said we're still going to get to Cozumel on time. We'll
One
see.
other thing that makes me so happy today is it's really nice to get on the ship and walk up to the bar and order a Diet Coke. Oh, I'm in heaven. I had about 10 yesterday. I'm going to get a lot today. I love Diet Coke.
So now when you remember when you get back on, I think all the ships now have finally converted over to Diet Coke.
Oh, I love it.
All right, well, she's going to lay out in the sun. I'm going to lay out here until the sun comes up. It's kind of cloudy.
It's my
Then,
book club book.
you know where I'm going
It is
early today.
Glory Over Everything. It's a really good book. It's a sequel to The Kitchen House.
Yeah.
Really good book.
I'll wait for the movie. I don't read. I hate reading. Boring. All right. Doesn't make me any dumber. All right.
Nobody said you were dumb.
I said it doesn't make me any dumber because I don't want to read. I'd rather watch the movie. All right, because I can eat snacks while I do that. All right, we'll bring you today.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
I was going to hold up my Diet Coke can, but it was way over there. You know what? Way over there.
They're not messing around. We got puppies.
Thank you.
Oh, my.
Don't bring your pot on board.
Oh, sorry.
Pretty dog.
Picture together?
Where are we going?
We're getting ready to go to dinner. So tonight's formal night, and I'm going to have prime rib.
Prime rib. He is. I'm not.
He's not having prime rib.
Not my
Let me
body.
show you what he gets.
All right.
Here we go.
Bring it to you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. First appetizer, cream of mushroom soup. Terry got nothing. Terry got a salad.
Yummy, yummy.
Terry got the prime rib with a baked potato. I got herb crusted salmon. Terry got fruit plate. I got the fruit plate.
Hello.
Hey. I said hello.
Hello. All right. We had a fun day.
Crazy day.
All day. I sat out by the pool and read my book. I'm halfway through, and now I'm going to go to bed and read the rest of it.
You know where I'm
It's so
going.
good.
And she won $200.
I won $200. It's on my card. I did. Yeah.
No, I got a $100 free play. I gave it to her. She put it in the machine and then doubled it.
Cheers. I got $200.
Right. All right, so tomorrow, Cozumel for the, I don't know, 56th time, whatever. So we'll bring it to you.
And we got a martini.
Good. All right, see you tomorrow.
Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.